Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be learning how to set up an environment on which we will be running our C++ programs. So, let's start. Setting up the environment. Why do we need to set up the environment? We need to set up the environment because we need a specific platform to code so that the machine level language can be compiled and run and get the desired output. So there are various softwares or various platforms that help us to get the desired output. So let's start. The first one is Eclipse. Eclipse is a very good platform for C++ as well as Java. Next we have CodeBlocks. It is an open source cross-platform IDE. It supports multiple number of compilers. And even I also use this CodeBlocks because it's very light. Similarly, we have various types of softwares like Dev C++, NetBeans, CodeLite. So these are the softwares on which we can code our C++ language. CodeBlocks. CodeBlocks is a free open source cross-platform IDE. It supports multiple compilers including GCC, Clang and Virtual Basic. As you can see, I have provided you the download link. From this download link, you can download the software. And in our course, we will be using the CodeBlocks. I have downloaded the CodeBlocks and I have completed the setup. So let's start and just run the program. So here you can see that I have installed my CodeBlocks. So let's start. You can see the version number. My version number is 17.12. So you can see over here my CodeBlocks is running. So this is a platform on which we will be coding our C++ language. It supports number of languages. So here you can see we can build, debug and various plenty of things over here. In our next lesson, we will be looking how to run our first program. Thank you.